No, Mahama, oh, baby, that's in Salawan, teacher Salawan, school video, free high school, I come, NDC, I come, the I'm a baby, such a baby, mosquito, random me, I got baby, go for a child. And you want to be a Ghana yet?
This song is very sweet. I'm on this by this time. People are asking me, say, I don't know, presenting in near chatting them. Hey, spending the same. Some people are wondering, and very soon, I'm going to tell you why I played this song first. Why I wanted you to listen to this song first. Because there are some things here. Papa B can't say, you know what I'm saying? Hey! That is why I first played this song. I will explain to you. I'll explain it to you. Why in time about signing way? Now this program is the election seat. For any strong TV, the election seat. The election seat we know anything connected to politics, anything connected to the elections. Yeah, they brown. Feeling kadoch, yini bako kren from entire be connected to the elections, to politics. Ednina brown to where the election seat. Election seat. Hey, anyway, Yakuba Konkao.
No, Mahama, oh, baby, that's in Salawan, teacher Salawan, school video, free high school,
So let's move on to the story. The things that people are wondering why JM is trending, Dramani Mahama is trending. Yes, he is trending because of the policies, very interesting policies be out there back. Now no man for tonight say I'm join police in home hey John Dramani Mahama where the ad day. Cause the policies no better say as if it was not planned. Like as if I'm more planning a campaign. No, they didn't sit down to think about what they are coming to tell Ghanaians. As if as a Ghanaians, no. I say 7 prejudice. I say okay 78 man 7 prejudice. You know one son number 12 Obama. Because there are some stories and some policies there John Dramani Mahama catching here. I don't mean we get also Casa stories. I mean when you say a policy, it's a story. A story that will never happen. How can you tell me this story? John Dramani Mahama, our former excellency. How can you tell me this story? Because there are some places beyond meditating on from me the near one we be say John Dramani Mahama. And when you go to the comment section, comment section, people are really saying a lot. Even the NDC people are even condemning what he was saying. I know, say you are very eager to hear what he said during his campaign time. You know the campaign period and the platform to come and talk to Ghanaians. You have this power to convince Ghanaians to vote for you on December. Then you come and tell us stories, fantasies that will never happen. And something that John Dramani Mahama and some of can do also be brave, but they very the punchline is no bro. It does because me bunny now words here. I debate in here. One. John Dramani Mahama say nyame bwana se Ghana for tomana. You ever say the Ashanti region youth will maybe ever say be our youth. You ever youth bear 10,000 and a youth bear 1,000. You flow bia na bisa say dwuma be na opene the amount. Edwuma be na opene the amount. Na say obi say edwuma na ka say ope say wo ye nkoko a. Obekọ ko pass ase amount. Now I see portrait a farm na amount. We are not and coconut on Cosiano, Coconam, at a Magana for the Ramaganda Tumpo. Every single youth, a bit for me beside the opening Ayama. Really, it's again a mere with you. Ghana near with me, mammy, papa, brother, sister. It's a similar John Dramani Mahama king. What did you say over to my no, there are some policies, bro. Okay, it's too much. Wait, Mama, it's too much, Mahama. It's too much. And for me, person, because my boom team and American, my boom is saying American. You're going to push it to John Dramani Mahama explaining this policy to Ghanaians to convince Ghanaians that got trouble. Man, say, a bit more for you tonight. What we have a Shanty region. Now from most of the best from our jubilee to say him for who be sent a draw pan other man who be said more pan the man so pen cook the man on cook. I'm an aqua yen. I was off from me. Question video no need see as sama John Dramani Mahama e carry.
Wow, person we are poultry and I was young cocoa and cocoa buono yabeba yama kama near Mao and cocoa bano near the Omodia near Mao no asho omo tukozia.
It's really sama John Dramani Mahama e catch Ghana fool or say somewhat mana the bayama. I know that somebody will be out there. Politics say friend in Becca say now some policy very good. You think about the policy is bringing out what he's trying to tell Ghanaians. Really? Will this convince the Ghanaian? They be can't we know that sometimes politicians they lie. Some of them they lie. And some of the things they say is not true. But you go try and talk a say, aye. You got the next thing I hear John Dramani Mahama can't just say, I'm not people are on the media laughing at John Dramani Mahama. That was okay. He went on to say that he's going every one man one fridge, one man one fridge. Policy. One man hey! Mahama,
oh baby, that's in Salawan, teacher Salawan, school video, free high school,
whenever I listen to this song, I just say, I'm so no crazy. One man, one fridge. So this is the policy. John Dramani Mahama got now say the can't send be nature Ghana for when changing your mindset near to Abamawa to tell us that one man, one fridge. Now will be a only dime. 7 pages will be a that one thing. Only be dimpo. Over man of one, over man of fridge on final day. Say Ghana and this will be a cold store and also be able to turn ice water. One man, one fridge. Police are John Dramani Mahama they ban on one man, one fridge. One man, one fridge. Really? His Excellency, his former Excellency, John Dramani Mahama. Hey! One man, one fridge. There will be one year Juma. I want to be trying to light bill. Oh, command the fridge. One man or so before so you trying bills. How will the person pay for his or her bills? Electricity bills. Now, what people were saying, they say, okay, I just fridge, you know. Electricity bills, it's a very doom so. Hey! You will feel John Dramani Mahama. The doom so, yeah. It's my fridge, not doom so. So, what's the purpose for giving us the fridge? No, there are some places where I'm a tukwan a young mama. And there's this trending issue, because trending story because about to Fericum. I was there. But when I came to Fericum, I was there. I'm not trying to be partial over here, and I'm not trying to be on MPP side or NDC side, but I'm trying to tell Ghanaians the truth and the simple truth. Because I don't know why some. I was at the Fericum. Dr. Bamia came there to give out his policies as for bar Obayama Ghana for, and the policies not national. You know, 7 like who gentlemen say yes, like Obetima. You're going to say, who the twins and any man could be my ye. Say, Nebia, tell them about national bedia, brown or so, and they are fine. But what the core agent will say, oh, the hell, when it comes to the agri sector, I was telling, say, he will be able to put the sector in the place. He said, your machine is now for the year, man. You be feed the old system and come to the modern system. Something like this, a task he can do it. When he team up with the agriculture minister, he can do it. The minister for agriculture and the rest. He came to the digitalization aspect. How Ghana will move from local things, the old time things, maybe way to the modern things and the modern world where we will synchronize with technology. Many countries depends on technology, which is possible to be done. John Dramani Mahama, so you will be with him. You will agree with me, Mr. I'm not trying to take sides over here. When it comes to election seats, we don't take sides. Whether MPP, NDC, CPP, no, we don't take sides. But we try to bring to Ghanaians what is going on with respect to the elections. They are not being informed, so they are more car. So that Obi ultimately taking the decision here, that person will sit down, analyze things, and take his or her decision very well. Because Abana Yabatono about 15 in Pocono Kotuya no Kwa. You couldn't say John Dramani Mahama talking about one man, one fridge.
One man, one fridge. One man.
So then I'm catching, one man and night, one man, one fridge. One man, one fridge. Hey! No, I don't know why His Excellency will tell us this. John Dramani Mahama will tell us this. Really? No, I said we there one man, one fridge say. One man, one fridge say. I don't know why His Excellency is trying to. Meaning the Excellency John Dramani Mahama. A person catch again for my brain. I said I was there with Dr. Mount Baumia. Because some could see some work after listening to John Dramani Mahama. I did because Ophiricum was flooded with a lot of people listening to sensitive and very sensible policies coming from Dr. Mount Baumia. Then John Dramani Mahama is coming to tell us that say a man that's not piano swa. Obama one man, one fridge. Obama cocoa. No, these are not the things that will change the economy of Ghana. That will move Ghana from where we are to another level. We just said no. So please, the NDC campaign team should talk to their presidential candidate, Dramani Mahama. These points are very weak to convince an ordinary Ghanaian to vote for you. No, I will never agree with John Dramani Mahama bringing on these are weak policies. We tell these policies to infancies. To crack it policies we more. 80. Once about to never say the MPP winning. I'm not saying MPP winning. Maybe an MPP winning. And these four will never understand why MPP won the elections, because the policies they are giving out, sending the message that they are sending out, a reasonable, a tough when you think about it. But the message given to us by John Dramani Mahama, they don't know why I'm saying. And when I went to the comment section, people were really laughing. Why? What is John Dramani trying to say? Obi say, "Oh, I supported this, but we did." Okay, comments, mommy came in tell. I say, John Dramani Mahama is so funny. And then mommy come, Obi na comment section. I say John Dramani Mahama is so funny. Obi say one man, one fridge pa. Really? It's too much to convince an ordinary Ghanaian say, I don't want the fridge into Uncle Trabama. We want the fridge into Uncle Trabama. No matter dream. Baby, I'm a kicker queen. No. So this is the election system we saw for. John Dramani Mahama praise him. Some of the things he's saying now, I don't get it. Later on, maybe a year Dr. Mahmoud Bamia, so they brought to Ghana wait here. You weigh them. I'll bring to this own. You weigh them as they are campaigning. Things that are really getting involved in their campaign. The message that they are bringing out to Ghanaians. Send it here. I'll bring it to you. You weigh them. Here is the election seat. As the JOYNEWSGH, like, and subscribe, and share. in your cook a boy made this argument with air promo at the press kitchen or say Johnny Ben I will pay Freno or Baya bro. I think some message to Shito Ben I will pay. What do you call school? Or better we actually free Jim. I know they do Benku Freno. The numbers will screen and say I think so kinky man our airport run about. Odruva light tin for the Copim Estate Junction. Docno Kwana amount for Babato. Quite docno. I think super would you may do the bra. The election seat equate you obey the election seat if you say results no any message near the bar abonte no a vivid a clear it is reasonable never Ghanaians to choose who they should vote for. It has an election seat. Mr. Like now subscribe and I say JOY TV Edamame me dance it.